Guys, pupunta ba kayo ng Shanghai, China soon? This is your ultimate Shanghai Disneyland guide, so if you're coming to China soon, save this video for your future reference. So hi guys, I'm Joanne and I post DIY travel guides, travel tips and hacks, adventures and free diving, kaya kung gusto mo ng mga ganitong videos, don't forget to follow me for more. So did you know that the second largest Disney park in the world is in Shanghai, China? But in terms of castle, it's the biggest one in the world. Kaya tara, let me show you what to expect at Shanghai Disneyland. Syempre, before anything else, book your Disneyland tickets on Klook and use my code para maka-discount ka. All you need to do is show the QR code upon entering the park and that's it. No need to line up just to buy your tickets. Nakamura ka na, hindi ka pa pumila ng mahaba. So how to get to Disneyland Park? Download the Shanghai Metro map, then ride Line 8 to Oriental Sports Center, and then transfer to Line 11 to Disney Resort. Our train fare was about 5 RMB. Pro tip guys, wear comfortable sneakers. Sobrang lawak ng Disney Park na ito kaya ang daming lakaran, and bring water bottle because there are refilling stations around the park. Another tip is to download the Disneyland app. Merong maps dito so it's easy to locate the comfort rooms, restaurants, souvenir shops, rides, and even waiting time per ride andito din. When it comes to food, sobrang daming kainan so ito yung mga tinry namin. So far, masarap lahat ng tinry namin. Ilalagay ko na lang sa caption guys kung magkano. When it comes to rides naman, ito yung mga 11 out of 10 sa akin, as in wag nyong i-skip to. Tomorrowland, Tron Light Cycle Power Run, and Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Guys, 2 to 3 times namin inulit to ng partner ko dahil sobrang thrill ride at ang saya talaga niya, as in uulit-ulitin nyo. Yes guys, 2 to 3 times namin na ulit kasi yung mga pila sa rides dito hindi kasing haba ng pila sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Kaya sobrang nagustuhan ko ang Shanghai Disneyland dahil bukod sa ang laki ng park at ng castle, sakto lang yung haba ng pila sa mga rides. Guys, wag nyo din kakalimutan puntahan si Mickey. Nakailang Disneyland na ako and this is my first time to actually meet Mickey. Then at night guys, go back to Tomorrowland. Sobrang ganda dito pag gabi. Inulit namin yung rides dito dahil iba talaga dating niya kapag gabi na. Super love the theme and the ride here. Lalo na yung mga pailaw nila. And syempre yung castle mismo sobrang ganda din sa gabi guys. Lastly, syempre wait for the fireworks at 9 PM. Super ganda din nito guys. Just like any other Disneyland fireworks, sobrang nakakaiyak yung feeling. Ayun lang guys, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to follow me for more food, travel, and free diving videos. Bye!